To install a wood fence post in soil or gravel, start with a post made of sturdy material, such as heartwood or pressure-treated sapwood, with a heartwood core. If the top of the post isn't already beveled, cut it at a 45-degree angle to encourage rain to run off, which will reduce the risk of water damage. Brush a non-water-based wood preservative, such as copper naphthenate, on both cut ends of the post. Let the preservative dry for 24 hours before you install the post. Use a post hole digger to dig a hole with straight, even sides in the gravel or soil where you plan to put the post. Make the hole deep enough so that about 1/4 of the post is under the ground. For instance, if your post is 8 feet, 2.4 meters tall, your hole should be about 2 feet, 0.6 meters deep. If you're working with soil, make the diameter of the hole as close to the size of the fence post as possible. For gravel, make the hole a little wider. For instance, if the fence post is 4 by 4 inches, 10 by 10 centimeters, make the hole about 8 inches, 20 centimeters across. To promote better soil drainage and keep the bottom of the post from rotting, drop about 2 inches, 5 centimeters of gravel in the bottom of the hole. Then, pack it down firmly with a stick or piece of scrap wood. Center the post in the hole and make sure it's level. Then, fill in the hole around the post with soil, gravel, or crushed stone. Pour in the filler a little bit at a time and pack it down firmly before adding more, until the hole is completely filled in. Finally, build a small hill of soil or gravel around the base of the post for extra stability. If you're installing the fence in soft sand or soil, you might need to reinforce the post with concrete. To do this, start by making the hole a little wider and deeper. For a 4 by 4 inch, 10 by 10 centimeter post, make the hole about 12 inches, 30 centimeters across. It should be deep enough to cover at least 1/3 of the length of the post, plus an extra 4 to 6 inches, 10 to 15 centimeters, at the bottom for gravel. Pour the gravel into the bottom of the hole and tamp it down firmly. Then slide the post into place. Wedge a pair of stakes into the hole on either side of the post to keep it standing. Place some pieces of scrap wood between the stakes and the post and lightly nail or screw them into place. Add another few inches of tamped gravel around the base of the post. Then fill in the rest of the hole with concrete up to just above the surface level of the soil. Use a trowel to shape the concrete at the base of the post into a low, sloping mound, about 1/2 inch, 1.3 centimeters above the soil surface at its highest point. Once the concrete sets, seal the gap between the concrete and the bottom of the post with a sealant designed to bond concrete and wood, such as silicone or latex caulk.